Welcome to Substation 33, where we'll teach you to take this and turn it into a 3D printer. Let's get started.
So we're going to measure a piece of Ethernet cable, and that's going to connect to our Y sticker motor, which moves the bed. And we're going to just measure a length to go from the motor back to the ramps and give it a little bit extra length for our cable management. So what we're going to do is the wire's going to come towards the back of the motor, so we're going to leave a bit of extra length loop around the back. So it's going to be around about that long. Don't have to be too accurate, and it's always better to have a little bit longer than too short. So then we're going to come along the back of the printer, come around, come up over. I'm going to come behind the ramps, but I'm not going to try and plug it in behind the ramps. And then come out the front and then plug into here, into this connector. So I'm going to make it about that long. So just where my thumb is, that's going to be the length of the wire. Let's cut that to length. And next we're going to strip that and solder the connectors together. So we've grabbed our Ethernet cable, probably about 800 that we just measured before on the printer, 800 millimeters long, and we're going to strip the sheath off. I'm just going to start at one end and just cut the sheath not too deep. You don't want to damage the conductors underneath, and just slice along. And you should be able to strip it back. Just yank it out. And before I go any further, I'm just going to check that the cable is actually multi-strand. Sometimes it looks like multi-strand, but it's actually single core. So we can see there's lots of strands in there. So we know it's a multi-strand, safe to use. Just going to grab two of these wires, whatever colours you prefer. I'll grab green and blue, and we're just going to twist them together. Just even up the ends. Just make sure everything's the same length, and then we're ready to start soldering that up.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.